Hi, it's Anu here. Have you experimented with Ayurvedic diets and find it a bit difficult to apply in your daily life? Have you got long lists of food items ideal for your body type? My name is Anu Paavola. I am an Ayurvedic practitioner and my mission is to create clarity on what Ayurvedic nourishment really is. So if you've been following those lists for your dosha type, I'm going to reveal that you can ditch them and resort to the basics of Ayurvedic living by remembering the triple S's: simple, slow and seasonal. The Ayurvedic answer to the question of what we should be eating is simple: seasonal food, no matter what your body type is. It makes meal planning so much easier, fun and exciting. Seasonal eating aligns you with nature's cycles, lifting you to a higher level of well-being as food becomes your medicine. With seasonal food, you receive exactly the nutrients that are needed in that particular period because there's a specific logic in what nutrients nature provides at any one time. And all you have to do is jump on the bandwagon and reap the benefits of natural diet. In addition to seasonality, you need to know how to eat your food. Make it simple and eat it slowly. If you remember these three S's: simple, slow and seasonal, you're right at the core of Ayurvedic well-being. If you want to know more answers to the questions such as should I be vegan or vegetarian, have some meat or just limit to fish or completely go raw, you can watch my free webinar. You might also be wondering why I'm not talking about the doshas. I am, after all, an educator in the field. Well, go and watch my free training and learn why. The link is here below, check that out and also subscribe to this channel. My name is Anu Paavola, an Ayurvedic practitioner, author and educator, promoting the smartest way to live, the Ayurvedic way.